Hi, I'm Shresta. Today I'm going to narrate you novels of my heart through a little bit of drawing along with some photos, and let's call it Draw My Life. I just want to clarify this is gonna be broad look of my life without going too much in detail because I have got a lot of stories that I want to share in my upcoming videos. And here we go. The story started on July 12th, 1999. When I born to my parents Padma and Shankar in the city Hyderabad. Since my childhood, I was happy and chubby kid and my family named me Somu. My father is a government employee, a divisional engineer, and my mom is a homemaker. Ever since I was born, in my initial 3 years, we stayed in Nizamabad and my father got transferred to Hyderabad and my entire family shifted to Hyderabad. So all my schooling is in Hyderabad itself. I started my schooling in the year 2003 and completed my secondary school or 10th in 2014. I completed my intermediate in 2016. Growing up, I was a very good student. I always used to be in a hurry to top my class. I knew it sounds silly for us now, but at that point of time, all that we know was learning. Apart from this, I also learned Carnatic music and Bharatanatyam as a kid, and I used to wait for summer to make myself busy with the summer camp for kids. I always used to enjoy participating in competitions and having fun. Of course, that will give you a lot of memories to cherish later. Anyways, I was little stubborn kid and very dramatic too. And let's just move back a bit. I forgot to speak about my interest towards YouTube. From my intermediate, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos for my subject concepts, motivation, cooking or whatever. I really found that helpful. And I was super fascinated to at that point of time to know that this is a one-stop destination for anyone who wished to learn anything or explore new things in their life. Everything that I learned randomly, I used to mold it in my own way. I like to keep things simple and perfect. I prefer doing something productive in my leisures. It might be a decor, DIY or recipes or whatever which makes me happy. Initial idea to become a software engineer started in my 10th because anything I know at that point of time was learning, and because I love math, I took MPC my intermediate and went with the plan accordingly. I started my BTech in 2016 in computer science and engineering. I was topper in my graduation and placed through campus placement, and am working as a software analyst. And today I'm here on YouTube to explore myself and learn new things that's happening around me. And to welcome you all to my little happy world and to share all my essence of happiness with you guys. It helps you to see the best version of you. Hope you all support me. See you with another beautiful content. This is Shresta signing off. Bye bye.